युवाओं और प्राइवेट सेक्टर उसे एक नई ताकत दी है। हमने युवा टैलेंट पर भरोसा किया और नई सोच के साथ आगे बढ़े। इस बार के बजट में हुई घोषणाओं से लेकर अन्य नीतिगत फैसलों में देश ने खुलकर टेक्नोलॉजी और इनोवेशन को प्राथमिकता दी है।
One of the fastest growing economies, India, is surging towards high-impact technology revolution, and its youth ready to embrace and learn new-age digital skills to tap appropriate opportunities and join a skilled workforce for the modern world. The Indian skill ecosystem in the last 6.5 years has witnessed a focused effort towards identifying competencies and render direction to skill development of the existing and entry-level workforce. Recognizing the urgent need to revamp the skills of individuals to achieve better development outcomes, the Skill India mission is focused towards providing boost to emerging skill needs and employment generation. The focus is on bridging industry demands with skills development objectives such as job-relevant training, digital skills, create opportunities, and empower the citizens by increasing their employment potential for quality jobs. To achieve that, with a purposeful vision, the youth of India must acquire desired training and competency. This is exactly the purpose of innovating National Skill Qualification Framework. To align skills with dynamic industry needs, the Honorable Prime Minister has set out a vision of making India the skill capital of the world. The schemes and initiatives such as Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme, Skill Hub have been concentrated towards demand-driven, quality-focused and learner-centric skilling. Initiatives such as Rozgar Melas, placement drives, job portal aim to connect youth to local industry across states for providing suitable job opportunities in the private sector. NSDC, working under the guidance of the ministry, has been catalyzing the skilling ecosystem through partnerships with private entities, financing, equity and grant to private industry players. With the vision of strengthening industry linkages and acquainting students with the latest technologies used in the industry, the Directorate General of Training has been encouraging ITI's trainees to participate in the dual system of training program. Under NSDC's industry partnership and CSR collaboration programs, over rupees 200 crores have been invested towards making skill training accessible to marginalized sections. Honorable Finance Minister in the Budget 2022-23 announced that programs like Desh Stack, Drone Shakti and partnerships with the industry would be reoriented to promote the continuous skilling avenues, sustainability and employability. Skill India Mission, in collaboration with various ministries, endeavors to support national missions and aims to provide unified opportunities for employment and entrepreneurship. The push and encouragement are necessary to help Indian workforce to become industry fit, competent and ready to join the world of work and become part of New India's growth story.